Hello little dreamers, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to delve into the history of Oliver, Benjamin, Lucy, and their new friend Max. Once upon a time, in the beautiful forest of Greenwoods, there lived a little frog named Oliver. Oliver resided near a pond with his friends, Benjamin the rabbit and Lucy the turtle. They had been inseparable since they were born. One sunny day, Oliver, Benjamin, and Lucy decided to explore an uncharted part of the forest. They ventured towards a spot where sunlight streamed through the tree leaves and danced upon the ground. It was there that they made a surprising discovery. In the middle of the clearing, they found an injured bird. It was a blackbird named Max, who had gotten lost and ended up in the Greenwoods forest by accident. Max had hurt his wing and couldn't fly back home. Oliver, Benjamin, and Lucy approached Max gently and offered their help. They carefully tended to his injury, bandaging his wounded wing and providing him with food. Over the following days, a beautiful friendship blossomed between them. Oliver, Benjamin, Lucy, and Max spent their time playing together, sharing stories, and laughing wholeheartedly. They also helped each other with daily forest tasks, whether it was searching for food or exploring new places. As their friendship grew, Oliver, Benjamin, and Lucy began to realize that even though they were different, they could get along and support one another. They understood the importance of respecting each other's strengths and weaknesses. One day, when Max felt better, he decided it was time for him to return home. Oliver, Benjamin, and Lucy felt sad to see him go, but they knew that the friendship they had shared would remain in their hearts. Before leaving, Max said, "You have been the best friends I could have ever hoped to meet. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for your friendship, respect, and kindness. I will never forget our time together." Oliver, Benjamin, and Lucy were sad to bid farewell to Max, but they knew that they would cherish the memories of their beautiful friendship. They understood that friendship and respect were important values that would help them connect with other animals in the forest. And so, Oliver, Benjamin, and Lucy continued to explore the Greenwoods forest, welcoming new friends with respect and kindness, for they knew that friendship was a bond that could unite all creatures of nature. And the story of their wonderful friendship was passed down from generation to generation, reminding everyone of the importance of friendship, respect, and kindness. Thank you for following this story. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to put a little blue thumb, subscribe, and click the notification bell for new adventures. Stay curious and keep dreaming. See you soon on Tale, Adventure, and Kids.